Hey there guys, it's MR.Q, your friendly neighborhood guitar here, and today we're going to be talking about 7 archaeological places you have to know in Qatar. Number 1. Jumail Village. This village is one of the favorite weekend destinations for families. The mosque in this old fishing village dates back to the second half of the 19th century. The village was also inhabited until the beginning of the 20th century. Number 2. Thaqab Fort. The fort is located about 10 kilometers away from Zubara. The fort was used by villagers to store food and water in case they were besieged. The name of the fort was derived from the water at the bottom of the valley after the rain. Number 3. Ain Hleetan Well. This is one of the most preserved and well-known wells in Qatar. It's located on Al Khor's west coast. The well was the main reason the Al Muhanda tribe chose to settle there. The well is also known as the Doctor, and that's because the water was known to have cured illnesses. Number 4. Khor Towers. These towers were used to monitor ships and guard the historical well of Ain Hleetan. The 3 towers also guarded the port city, which was an important center for fishing and pearling in the 20th century. Number 5. Jazirat Bin Ghannam. This island lies in the east coast of Qatar, inside Khor Bay. It also served as a production site of red-purple dye. This was created from shellfish during the Kassite period, and it was also used as a fishing outpost in the late Islamic period. The native mangrove forest is home to a vast number of marine animals and birds. Get your cameras out. Number 6. Rakayat Fort. The fort is located in the northwest of Qatar. It dates back to the 19th century and was renovated in the 1980s. 3 sides of the courtyard are lined with narrow rooms without windows and doors that open into the light and spacious courtyard. Number 7. The Old Palace. The palace was originally built in the early 20th century by Sheikh Abdullah bin Jassim Al Thani. In 1975, the palace was converted into the National Museum of Qatar. In 1980, the building won the Agha Khan Award for restoration and rehabilitation of Islamic architecture. In 2014 to 2015, it was again restored and integrated into the new National Museum of Qatar. So, let us know. Where are you gonna go and visit?